Okay, so this is how to actually find the infamous MB2. MB2 typically is very close to MB canals or just below it, as you can see in the picture on the right. There are rare cases where MB2 is slightly more mesial than MB, but it's not really common. The problem with current access is that it's too small and there's still caries left. Because this was an 11-year-old patient with small mouth opening and a lot of tooth structure was already missing, I use ultrasonic tips so that I can see better while troughing and not remove any sound dentin. The rest of the process is the same, where I found the canal with 10 file, but got working length after I opened up the coronal third with any large file. Once I reach working length with size 15 hand file, I use rotary to get to the finishing size. It is important to be a bit careful because some MB2s have sharp curves joining into the MB. Trying to force your file in this case can cause ledging, which I can tell you it's not going to be fun. Some MB2s have separate canals, so this is not always the case.